Hi everyone, this is Barry. Today's tutorial I will introduce the basic function about AI Module 5S Kit controller. This controller called MC902. And here is the lithium battery, which is provided by our kit. And there are two options to charge the battery. The first option, we can use the adapter, which is also provided by our kit. And we can direct connect to the battery and charge it. And after the battery fully charged, the LED light on the adapter will become green. And if there's no enough power for the battery, and the LED light will change red. And the second option, we can install the battery on the controller. And on the bottom of the controller have another port. We can charge the battery. There are 4 keys on the controller. This one is the power button and also is the confirm button. We just click one and the controller will turn on. And this is for the select button, the right one and the left one. We can use the right one to go to the next icon. And this is the back button. We can back to the last step we operate. And for our first icon, we can see is the running icon. And we can running the last program we programmed. The next one is the files icon. And we click power button, enter this one. And here is the program name we already download from our PC. To click the enter button again, and the program is running. If you have robot car or some other module, and the module will running. Click the yellow button, the back button, and will end the program. And next one is the ports icon. This icon is for the number ports. There are 16 ports on our controller. And from 1 to 10 is the actuator ports. We can connect our LED light, our emotion screen, some other actuator. And this latter port from A to D is the motor port. For this port, we can only connect the motor, our closed loop motor. This 1 and 2 port is the servo port. We can connect our servo motor to this port. This function proposes to test the actuator is working fine or not. So we can use our 6-pin cable. And we choose actuator. I select the LED light. And we connect to the port 1. And after that, we click the enter, and we can see the port 1 have the volume. That means the LED light working fine. The next one is the motor ports, and this proposed for test the motor working fine or not. Same step to connect the motor to the latter port. Everyone is okay. We select port A and click the power button to enter. And here is the all motor. If we just connect all 4 motor and we select this one, and all 4 motor will run. But in this time, we just connect port A and we select port A. Just use the right button and enter again. And the left and the right, we can add the speed for the motor. For example, if we use the right button, and click again, we'll add 10 speed. And the maximum speed is 100. For the right button is for add speed, and for the left button is for minus speed. And if at first we click right button, look at the number is -1. So if the number is negative, the rotation direction will change. And if you want to end this program, we just click back button. Next one is setup icon. We click enter. Here is the parameter icon. I know this one have no value, right? But after we do the black and white detection combined with our graphical sensor, and this parameter will have the number, have the value, and we can use this one to adjust the value for the channel of the graphical sensor. And I will share more details in the later tutorials, share for you how to do the black and white detection, how to patrol light, and also you can check our user guide for the MC902 controller, and there are more details description on the user guide, and you can check it. Next button, we can mute the sound for the controller. And the next one is the desk function for the controller, and this one should combine with our software called Wellspot Scratch Pro. And the next tutorial I will show you how to use this software. Other one is the Bluetooth function. When we click enter, we can see if we want to do some remote control function, we can use the Bluetooth function to check the value represented on the remote control controller. And also there are more details on our user guide. The next one is the language switch function. For click the enter button, and the language will change for Chinese. And select again, the language will change back to the English. The last icon is about. We can see the hardware version, the software version. The 902 is this controller, and here is the firmware version, and here is the battery voltage, and here is the automatic power off minutes. Last one is the desk format. If we have some problem, then we use the controller, we can try to use this function to reset the controller. Here is all the basic use for the MC902 controller.